And hello there, plamo fans and folks. This is Mixors, and welcome to one episode of Mixors Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is yet again another SNAA from the Round Table Knights line. We have the Rampage Lion Bedivere, and yes, I am not sure which one here is the box art. If it's this one, or of course, I think it's this one, which as you can see really looks cool. Wherein you can see he has one arm that's slightly bigger, some few tails coming out, and of course it is a lion. Well, you can also consider this the box art, I guess, or if not, the one from the other side where it's just the line art. Anyway, that is what's all around the box, and of course at the back here it is Rampage Lion Bedivere with his normal hands and claws, front and back. And of course, the inner frame is here. Some action poses you can do with him, and here it is showing off the one with the bigger arm and weapon. All right, and of course, I have to close this for a while to get this to open for a while. Right now that the box is open, and as usual, as the usual one, excuse me, sorry. Yeah, I do believe there are options for this one to buy the kit, which is just the screws or have it in the box. Now, if you buy the one that is with the box, it comes with, of course, a protective box inside. Like I said, like the usual other SNA kits, which is absolutely cool. So, what's inside? We have gray parts, some white parts here, some clear parts. I don't, yeah, I think I'll just have clear parts. Some of the white parts here. Uh, and more saying come in pairs, I guess. More other parts for the frames. Tiny bags for yellow and gray. More tiny bags for the white and the gray. More tiny bags for I think parts of the inner frame. Oh, black parts. Or I think this is for the this arm. I guess. Here it is for the tail. I guess. Right. Some more bags coming out, and I believe yep they have provided a stand for this one, and they also provided a wire and some dry transfers or water slide vehicles. I'm not sure. Haven't tried. Haven't built one yet. Actually, we'll try to build that with time. And of course, there is the instruction manual that is of magazine type. That shows the box art here, and of course, off the back shows you how many screws you have and what parts are inside. So let's take a look individually at these screws. So first up is the A screw, which is all gray. We also have a B screw, which is somewhat of a brownish gray there. Uh, Adjusting again, sorry about that. We have a C screw, which is light gray. Airplanes, we don't have just one, but we have two. The screws or runners, we also have not just one, but two E screws. Continuing with the pairs for the F here, and going to white. There it is, two F screws. Then back to the singulars with a G screw here and an H screw here for the white, and an I screw here. I just noticed that they are more on singular with regards to some colors. So the J screw here, which is black, A screw here, L, the yellow. See, and I haven't seen any from the SNA to have multicolored screws. be honest, actually. M sprue here for the transparent green, going to N sprue here, and of course an O sprue here. See, all singular colors. I'm going to P and the Q sprue here. And I think this is the first time that I encountered like a rubberized sprue from them, or the R. And again, like I said, they do have a wire here, stickers, and of course the stand earlier. That is a lot of screws and runners there, Plamo fans and folks. But that is what's inside the box of the SNAA, the latest one for the Rampage line, Bedivere of their Knights of the Round Table. And this is me saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, doing the video, sharing, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.